Hello YouTube, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discuss on a new job opening by American Express for level 2 engineers. So this job posting has been posted on LinkedIn. So I am recording this video on for 14th 15th December 2020. So this video was posted 4 days ago. So look, we will look have a info on like what is the requirement, what is the job description, and how you can apply. What are the basic requirements and what skills do you need to excel so that you can apply to this job. Okay, so let's start. So first of all, there is a basic description of American Express. Why American Express is the you should choose American Express, and like what are the features of American Express company, what is the company about. So these are the basic features of the American Express. You can go through it and have a basic idea of American Express. So overall, like it is a financial services company which provides in banking services. It is a strong hand in banking services. So let's on move to the important part. So these are the technical platforms, technical which is used by the American Express in terms of technology. So you will be working on these technologies. So these are the technologies which on which you may be like given to work on. So we will go through these one by one. So you should have a strong proficiency in JavaScript and CSS, including DOM manipulation and the JavaScript object model. So this is a very most important requirement throughout this job, that you should have a strong proficiency in JavaScript and CSS. Okay, you should be proficient with CSS2 and CSS3 versions. Experience, you should have experience with both responsive and adaptive web design, understanding of React.js and its core principles. So it's not only that you know basic of React.js, you've applied that. It is important that you should be very well versed of how React performs, what are its core principles, how basically React works. So you should be having deeper knowledge in this. Okay, familiarity with newer specification of ECMA script, familiarity with modern front-end build pipelines and tools, experience with common front-end development tools such as Babel, Webpack, NPM, Yarn, etc. And experience in, you should also have experience in Java, J2E, RESTful API development, and NoSQL databases. So these, the last one is not a very much required, but if you have that, then it will be added advantage for you to apply. Okay, so throughout this we can understand that JavaScript is the most important requirement for this job profile. Okay, like you can see in the, you should have JavaScript and CSS. Here you should have of CSS responsive website, React.js and its core principle, front-end build pipelines you should be familiar of. So overall, and here also in Babel, Webpack, NPM. So you should be very well versed of in JavaScript, and basically of JavaScript frameworks, you should be very good in React.js. Okay, let's come to second next slide. So in here we can see that what are the function, like these are non-technological things which you should be good at. Okay, so you should be good at a strong analytical and strategic thinking skills. You should be able to interpret technical or business objective and challenges, like what are the, like how should you should work on a particular problem so that it get resolved before it impact any other business or any other customer, whatever. So in that way you should think and you should analyze that thing. You should be good at porting or software configuration. So like you should be good at software configure, you know how to configure any software, whatever. You should be good at agile methodologies. You should know how agile methodology works. You should be like, you should have a development work as agile requirement. Okay, so you should be knowing of agile and you should implement yourself in agile way. You should be good at software development and testing. You should be object oriented analysis and design across multiple platform. So these are the basic things. Use coding to develop the aesthetics implemented within a website or product, from the layout menus and drop down options to colors and fonts. So these are like using the basic designs and combining them, interfacing design concept with digital designs, and establish milestones to encourage cooperation and teamwork. So like it's not only like you just design like how you will complete a complete project. You will be given some project tasks, so like how you will uh, create different small milestones, like on completing a small level you encourage your team peoples, and you encourage them like, yeah, we have achieved this. So that encourages, so you should be good at that thing also. Develop overall concepts for improving the user experience within a business web page or product, ensuring all interactions are intuitive and convenient for end users. Okay, so this is the main thing which they require. Collaborate with backend engineers to improve usability. Okay, so these are the basic functional requirements. Coming to the qualifications, so you should be having a 2 to 6 years of experience across overall these things. Okay, the most important things which are required. Okay, so for level 2 engineers, 2 to 6 years of experience is required. For level 1 engineers, 0 to 2 years of experience is required, and for level 3 engineers, more than 6 years of experience is required. Okay, so what are the most important things? So design and development using JavaScript and CSS with proficiency on CSS. Here also you can see JavaScript is the most important. Then also strong front end development using tools such as Babel, Webpack, npm. So here also basically these are all of JavaScript related. So this is the also requirement. Continuous integration or deployment in agile framework, covering the aspect of SDLC. Okay, software development life cycle. This is the full form of SDLC. So you should be good at, like, you should know how you should develop a project or uh, deploy a project using SDLC method. So you should be good at that. You should know every feature of that. Okay, you should have worked in software complete software development life cycle. Okay, so these are one of the basic most requirement of these companies. Okay, you should be good at DevOps and test driven development. Okay, so these are the basic, and here also we can see that the main thing which you need is JavaScript. You should be good at CSS, you should be good at agile framework, and you should be good at DevOps and tester driven. Like you should be used of like you should be used to creating test cases and using that. So these are the most basic requirements of this job profile. Okay, here after that we can see that they are providing an equal opportunity one. So that's you can go through that. After that, here is the request ID which is provided in the description also. So the job is full-time job, and the date posted was on December 14, 2020. So it was posted one day ago. So entry level is a seniority level which is a opening, and full-time employment, and the industry is financial services. Okay, so this is the basic most requirement. So overall, like if we sum up, then you should be good at JavaScript, you should be good at agile methodology to work on, and you should be good at DevOps. Okay, to apply this job and crack this job and get a job in American Express. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. If you find this video useful, share among your friends also, so that we can. And also please subscribe the channel, and also click the bell icon, so that you receive whatever new job comes. You get a direct notification in your in your mail. Okay, and in your app also you get a direct notification by pressing the bell icon. So thank you for watching the video. Happy learning.